Welding FAQs, Part 4 of 4, with a pair of commonly asked questions. Can I use an oxyacetylene torch to weld stainless steel? Yes, stainless steel can be welded with an oxyacetylene torch. A good welding flux, which protects the welding zone from oxygen, should be used. Also, the torch should be carefully adjusted. Minimizing excess oxygen could cause the oxides mentioned above. Trying to weld thin-walled tubes with oxyacetylene is not for the faint of heart or talent. Another popular question is, I just welded up a set of headers and cracks have formed along several of my welds. What happened? What could have happened is that the weld bead has undercuts, shown here. The base metal alongside the weld bead has been melted away, causing little ravines. This leads to a thinned-out section as well as a stress riser that can lead to failure. This is often due to either welding too fast or not using enough filler. It could also be due to technique, such as holding the torch at an incorrect angle. If you have a question you would like to add, please send it to vince@burnstainless.com.